This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Make sure the Oppo A78 5G has at least 20% charge and is unlocked, because you will be toggling system settings. Open Settings, then go to Sound and Vibration. Some builds hide the option under Additional Settings or System. Once you see Touch Vibration or Haptic Feedback, pause. Do not switch multiple menus. You want the exact control so you can disable the motor only. This step ensures you change the correct system-level toggle without affecting other alerts. Now, disable the touch vibration toggle to stop the general haptic motor for taps. This removes vibration for screen interactions. Next, open Languages and Input and select your keyboard app. Turn off keypress vibration specifically, since some apps override system haptics. Then review call and notification vibration patterns in Sound and Vibration, because those can still trigger the motor. Once done, restart the phone to apply all settings and confirm behavior before moving on to app-level exceptions or accessibility options. Finish by rebooting the device and testing. Tap Screen, Type, and trigger a notification to verify vibrations stopped. If vibration remains, boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app forces haptics. Uninstall any suspect app. If safe mode still shows vibration, check accessibility settings for additional feedback options. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset, but make sure you tried safe mode and per app settings first, because reset erases personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.